Tears of the Kingdom Special Edition OLED Switch. Let's unbox it.
Right then, let's have a look what comes with it. We've got the special Joy-Cons, gold one, and gold with green. Also in the top here, you've got the Switch itself. Nice pattern on the background, on the back. Take off this pack. There's some instructions and things in there we won't bother looking at. This is what I'm quite interested in, the dock. Oh, lovely. Look at that. The gold is like, the gold parts are quite shiny. It's black on the inside. It's even got a bit of a design on the back. My first gen one of these is this is like hinges down. It's interesting. 2 USB ports on the left. Nothing on the right. In the back there you've got a LAN port, USB-C and HDMI. What else have we got in here? USB-C power cable, HDMI, the dock for making it into a controller, forget what it's called. This is just standard. No special colours or anything. And then the 2 Joy-Con grips, I think they're called, have a gold tie on them. That's quite cool. And they're white.
So that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have been, thank you for watching.